In this video, you will learn how to remove or delete data series from Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated this multiple line graph. It has three data series: location A, location B, and location C. From data, you can see here this is the location A data, this is the location B data, and this is the location C data. Later on, I have removed two data series, and result is in front of you. Currently, you can see here in this graph there is only one data series, that is location A, and I have deleted location B and location C from this graph. You will learn three easy methods to delete or remove data series from Microsoft Excel graphs. Firstly, I will explain how to remove data series on temporary basis so that you can add back at any time. Later on, you will learn how to delete these data series on permanent basis. So let's learn how to delete data series in Microsoft Excel graphs. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will generate a multiple line graph. Select this data. Go to Insert option. And under Insert option, you will find the option of line graph. Select this one. From here, I will select line graph with marker. Select this one. Using these handles, you can resize it. I will place it here. Now you can see here this graph has three data series, which are the location A data series, location B, and location C. As I earlier explained, I will show you how to delete these data series on temporary basis so that you can add back these one. In this case, I am interested to remove the data series of location C. Click on this graph. At the corner, you will find three options. Choose filter option. From here, you will find the option of series. Currently, you can see here it has three data series: location A, location B, and location C. I am interested to remove location C data series. I will click on this box and deselect this one. After doing that, simply click on this apply button and that data series will be removed from our graph. Click anywhere on this sheet and this option will be disappeared. Now I am interested to add back that data series. I will again click on this graph, again go to this filter option, and from here I will select location C, click on this box. After selecting this box, simply click on apply and that data series will be appeared in our graph. Click anywhere on this sheet. Now you will learn second method. You can use this method to remove data series permanently. Click on this graph. After selecting this graph, here is the option of chart design. Go to select data option. Two pane appeared here. This one shows the x-axis data and this one shows the y-axis data. Currently, you can see here there are three data series: location A, location B, and location C. I am interested to remove location B. I will select this one. Now you can see here this is highlighted by blue color. After selecting this one, simply click on remove and that data series will be removed from our graph. Click on OK. Let's check the result. You can see here location B data series is removed from our graph. Now I will explain third method. Now I am interested to remove location C data series. Currently you can see here it is indicated by this green line. I will single click on this line. Now you can see here whole data series is selected. Do not double click, only single click, then whole data series will be selected. After selecting that line, place your cursor on this line and right click. Here you will find the option of delete. Choose this option. In addition, you can also remove this line by selecting this line and pressing backspace button. So by using any of these methods, you can easily remove data series from Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.